Hello guys, good morning from Kuwait. It's 11:32 a.m. over here, and today I'm gonna teach you guys what is an awesome oscillator, the most beautiful indicator created by Bill Williams. The name says awesome oscillator, and it's really awesome. Trust me, guys. This guy, Bill Williams, he creates one of the most beautiful indicators, and he is an American trader of 88 years old, and he is well experienced, super duper experienced, and he has some couple of creativities under his name, Bill Williams. You guys can see over here it says escalator, oscillator, alligator, awesome oscillator, fractals, gator oscillator, market facilitation index. And he has a couple of more which are not in MT4, but he makes something really good for for the traders. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna tell you all what is an awesome oscillator and how are the best two ways of using awesome oscillator. So let's drag and drop this indicator, and levels, yellow, thick lines, visualization, colors, value up line, value down is red. So we're gonna click on OK, and here the indicator comes. So we guys see it's we can see big and small mountains, green and red, going towards upwards, going towards downwards. So let me tell something very simple. In simple ways, let me explain you all in simple ways how to use this indicator. And first I will tell you all that how to use this indicator, I mean what this indicator does, and then I will tell you all how we can use it in best two ways. So three things. Now over here we see there's a yellow line, okay, and this says 0. So guys, it's a very simple logic. Anything which goes below the yellow line, that means we go short. Anything which goes above the yellow line, which means green, that means we go long, we go buy. Now there are small red bars, red lines over here. I will explain you this, but as of now it's just important to know that how this awesome oscillator works. So it goes above yellow, it goes below yellow, so it's a fluctuating indicator. So anytime the green bars, they cross 0 and they go above, so we only go long, we go for buy trades. So whenever it goes below the yellow line, goes below 0, so we always go short, we go for sell. So that's it from the Bill Williams. And now I will explain you guys how to trade with this. How do we take trades? So there are two most beautiful ways of dealing with awesome oscillator. So guys, the first way is, if you want to trade in a very simple way of how awesome oscillator teaches you, so we're gonna check that method. What we will do is most of the traders around the world, what they do is they just take a simple moving average of 5 period, and they just to get some help. That's the way they do it. And what they do is, whenever the market starts going up from 0, means when your market is below 0, let's say over here, this area, let me make it big so you guys can understand. Okay, so over here your market is below 0 now, and you get a first green line over here, you get a green bar. So you will wait for the second green bar, okay, and then you get a small candle which is above 0, right? So as soon as you get this candle over here, so you go long, you go for long trades, okay. But what happens is, you start going long, you start going up, and then once you get this red candle over here, and then as soon as you get the second candle, you close your trade and you get out. So this is a very simple way of using the awesome oscillator, but I believe this is not one of the best ways, because if you use in this way, you're gonna just lose your money, as far as if you don't have a trailing stop loss activated. Because see, what's gonna happen is, let's say you want to go for long trades, and you wait for you get this candle, you get this bar below zero, and then you get the second bar. So as soon as you get the third bar above zero, you go for long. Okay, which means this trade over here, and then you go up till here, and then you get a short trade, and then as soon as you get the second trade, you close your trade. By the time you reach here, you're going to lose all your money, because this was the move, this was the money which you earned. So then you started waiting for the short trade to get out of the market, and as soon as you get the second candle, you lose all your money. So I guess this is not one of the best ways to use the Awesome Oscillator. What I do is I prefer to trade on correction, or to trade with divergence. So what's the best way to trade with Awesome Oscillator is on corrections. Okay, how on corrections? I'm going to explain now. Okay, over here, let's say over here, let's say our market went below zero. Okay, it crossed the yellow line and it went below zero. So we are getting all this short signals, we are getting all this red candles. That means that the market is going down, right? So we get a green candle, we get a second green candle. That means that it's the Awesome Oscillator is giving you an indication that the trend is changing now. So there are high chances of going long. But then what happens is, your market is still below zero, and then again you get a red candle. So guys, when this candle completes, which is this candle, as soon as this candle completes, we will go for a short signal. We will go for a short trade. So we're gonna open sell over here. On this candle, we guys will open sell, and then it depends on your how much profit you want. But I prefer to just take a profit of 100 points or 150 points and come out of the market. So that's the way we trade on correction with Awesome Oscillator. Again, I will explain you guys. Okay, so over here we get a signal below zero of short of red candles. Okay, so we are going red all this while, we are just waiting to get a signal. So as soon as we get a green candle, as soon as we get a second green candle, or doesn't matter second green candle or first green candle, let's say like sometimes what happens is you get one green candle and then the next candle is red again. So as soon as you get the second red candle, as soon as you get the second red candle, you go for a sell. You can go for a short trade. You can open a position on sell. So you just set your small TPs like between 100 points or between 50 points, and you come out of the market. Or if you want, you can go for trailing stop losses, people who are perfect in trailing stop losses. So then let's say you took some good profits and you came out of the market, and then over here again you get a signal for long, and then second signal you get for long. You keep waiting, and your market is still below zero. As soon as you get a red candle over here, again you get a red bar. As soon as you get a second red bar, you go for a sell trade again. So what happens is, that's the best way to deal with corrections on Awesome Oscillator. Like now, let's say over here we are going above zero, so we get green candles, we get green bars over here, and then we get red bars. So as soon as you get the first green bar after the red bar, as soon as this candle completes, gets over, when the second green bar comes up, you go for long, you go for a buy trade, and then you can set your trailings, or you can set your small TPs, and you can take the profit, and you can come out of the market. So then again you go for again you want to go for long, because your market is still above zero, right? You're still above the yellow line. So you get some red bars over here. So as soon as you get the first green candle after the red bar, so you have to wait for this one to finish. So as soon as this finish, the second one comes green again, you open your buy trade over here. You can open your buy trade over here, and then that's the way how I explained. You can just set your tradings or small TPs and you can get out of the market. Trust me, moving average has no benefit over here, because you can just trade with the awesome oscillator candles, and that's the best way to deal with corrections on the awesome oscillator. And this is a very beautiful indicator, guys. You can make a lot of money with this strategy, only on playing with corrections with awesome oscillator, because over here now, let's see, over here it was going green, and then you get a red candle, and then suddenly you get a green candle, but the second candle was a red candle. That means we guys will wait again. So over here, after these two red candles, we get the first green candle. As soon as this candle finishes, and we get the second green candle over here, we open the trade and we take small TPs, small trailings, and we get out of the market. So once it falls down to zero, over here we get red candles, and then we get green candles, but we did not get any red candles, so that means we don't take trades over here. So the best way to deal with awesome oscillator on this strategy is going to be H1. We will not go with H4, because if we go for H4, we will get very less trades throughout the day, because of course it's H4, and you have to wait for 4-hour candle. So I would prefer you can just for the intraday traders who sit on the computer for who get a chance sitting on the computer for trading, like for more than 3-4 hours a day. They can open just all of their forex major and minor pairs, and they can open the H1 time frame, and they can trade with awesome oscillator with this strategy on all their charts. But trust me, guys, don't go for gold commodities, and don't go for other metals like silver, platinum, palladium. It's gonna ruin your account, because they are very different from the indicators, and they are very different from awesome oscillator, all these strategies, because they have their different moves and different movements. So it's very risky on commodities, metals, energies, and such things. So just try playing on the forex major and the minor pairs, and that's the way we deal with awesome oscillator on corrections. So when we guys are below zero, we will get all the red candles, so we have to wait for the first green candle. Okay, and as soon as we get the red candle after the green candle, we open sell. Okay, so when the market is going up, we get green candles, so we have to wait for a red candle. After the red candle, when we get the first green candle and the candle finishes, we will open for the buy trade, and same we do for sell. So it's very easy, guys. The market fluctuates above zero and below zero, and that's the way we trade on corrections with awesome oscillator. This is one of the best strategies, and I know some people sitting in West Africa and Brazil, and in countries like Spain and Poland. People make a lot of money only with awesome oscillator correction strategy. So that's it, guys. I hope y'all loved it, and if y'all have any questions regarding awesome oscillator, or anything on awesome oscillator, for if y'all don't understand the strategy, and if y'all want to ask me something again, I'm most welcome to answer all your questions. Drop me anytime on my email or WhatsApp, and y'all can expect a reply soon. Take care, guys. God bless y'all, and have a wonderful day, and take care. Bye bye.